How to use binaural beats meditation for sleep, tips and tricks for better rest. If you're someone who struggles with falling asleep or staying asleep, then this video is for you. We will be covering some tips and tricks to help you get better rest using. First, let's start by understanding what binaural beats are. Binaural beats are a type that is created when two different frequencies are played in each ear. The difference in frequency creates a third frequency, which is the binaural beat. These beats have been shown creating a relaxing environment is key to getting a good night's sleep. This means setting the mood with a dimly lit room, comfortable bedding, and a noise-free environment. During this time can further enhance relaxation and to experience the full benefits of binaural beats, it's important to use headphones. Each ear needs to hear a different frequency for the binaural beat to be created. Using headphones also blocks out any external noise, allowing you to fully immerse. Different frequencies have different effects on the brain. When it comes to sleep, the ideal frequency is between 4 to 7 Hz, which is known as the theta state. Like any other form of meditation, consistency is key to seeing results. Meditation a regular part of your bedtime routine. This will help your brain associate the waves with relaxation and sleep, making it easy. In conclusion, binaural beats meditation can be a great tool to improve your sleep quality. Creating a relaxing environment, using headphones, finding the right frequency consistently, you can improve your chances of falling asleep and staying asleep. Binaural beats into your bedtime routine and see the difference. Click the link below this video for a binaural beats for sleep track to use right now.